Hello, today I'll be making quinoa with shrimps and veggies. Stay tuned. First, wash and cook quinoa for 15 minutes and let it sit for 5. Next, we start with olive oil. We'll add the onion and the carrots and cook for 3-4 minutes. Next we'll add the peppers, also cook for 2-3 minutes. Now I'm adding the zucchini and then some salt. Okay. Cook for 2-3 minutes and set them aside. So now the quinoa is cooked. Just let it sit for 5 more minutes. So now I diced the shrimps. I marinated them and I'm going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes, not more. That's all they need. And now cook the shrimp for 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'm going to just chop the cilantro and the tomatoes and squeeze some lemon juice. So now I'm adding the quinoa, the cooked quinoa over and mixing it all together. So now I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice to the cherry tomatoes and cilantros. Okay, mix them together. And then now I'm going to throw it inside of the cold salad. Now I'm going to mix it all together and enjoy.